I have been waiting to open this deck. It's a box opening. It's a box opening of a brand new deck. Higher, Hiron, I don't know how to pronounce that. Bosch Tarot. I love the box. I love the presentation. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. Ooh, I can already tell I'm going to love this. I can already tell. You know, the box, the presentation is just so wonderful. It's like open doors. Oh, look how phantasmagorical that is. Look how phantasmal. I feel like I just stepped into Alice in Wonderland or something. Okay, here's the book. Ooh, look at the deck. Okay. Let's look at the book. Hieronymus Bosch. Hieronymus Bosch. I hope I'm saying that right. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, gives you, ooh, the triptych spread. Ah. So here they give you the names of the majors, the 22. So instead of the fool, it's the wayfarer. Instead of the magician, it's the conjurer. Instead of the high priestess, it's the mistress of terror. Let's look at these. Okay, let's look at the cards. Oh, do you see how beautiful? Oh my goodness. Do you see how beautiful that is? That's a work of art. That is a work of art. This blue is just giving me life. This blue is giving me life. Do you hear me? All right, let's look at the Fool. Well, it's still reminiscent of the Fool because there is the little backpack, there is the staff, there is the little white dog, the wayfarer, the path ahead, adventure, choices. I like that they have a little snippet under the card so that you don't have to look it up. That's the Fool. Let's look at the magician. Ah, the conjurer. Abilities, creation, deception. Now, do you see that the dog is still there? I like that. And still, on the magician's table, he still has his items. So it's not very far off from your traditional. Mistress of terror, control, submission, feminine power. Wow. Wow. I've never seen the idea of the high priestess portrayed like this. Well, this would be the Empress, Virgin Mother, motherhood, caring, compassion, divine feminine. That's a beautiful depiction of the Empress. Let's look at the Emperor, Kings of the East, stability, authority, gifts, male power. Whoa, whoa. This is very unique imagery. I'll just flip you through a few more. Magnificent. I've just never seen a deck like this one. Look how unusual that is. Whoa. 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 I would say this deck is really good for subconscious or unconscious shadow work, revealing the unconscious and what's in the shadow work. This very much looks like a shadow work kind of. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's look at some of the cards that are in the minors. So we have berries. Berries as one suit. We have birds as another suit. Wow, Queen of Birds. I'm going to tell you in a minute which suits pertain to which of the suits in the traditional tarot. Skates. Skates. Oh my goodness. Skates. And then swords. Well, we know what swords represents. Swords. Vessels. Maybe vessels is cups. Books. This seems to have more suits. Coins. Okay, let's take wrath. Sin of sloth. Sin of gluttony. Okay, let's look in the book and see what cards are in here, because this, first we have the majors. Now let's go to the minors. The minor arcana. Okay. They've got berries, birds, skates, swords, vessels, books, coins, 7 deadly sins. Then they've got the element. Then here they've got minor arcana court cards: page, knight, baron, prince, princess, queen, king, ace. This is a fascinating deck. Now this makes me want to get into this deck and really work with all of these. This is very intriguing. I want to know more about how this whole thing works. That is the Hieronymus, Bosch, Travis McHenry. Whoa. What an exquisite deck. What exquisite packaging. This is just blowing my mind right now. I mean, it's a box of wonder and awe.